Woo! Happy homeowners! We're all here. Got a nice one today. Turn this around. So we got this beautiful 100-year-old house in Santa Ana. We're going to do some repairs. We're eventually going to refinish the whole house, but right now they got new cabinets coming in. So we do hardwood flooring. So we do hardwood flooring. That's flooring. Carpet, tile, linoleum, all of that stuff is floor covering. So when these houses were built back in the day, 1920s, 1930s, 1940s, 30% of them were just the floor goes straight over the beams, just like that. So it's nothing new, it's nothing weird. This is 3/4 inch thick, 2 1/4 inch wide, white oak. So we're going to yank up all of this. For whatever reason, they had some kind of repair, they did something. And we're going to install the new wood. We're going to basket weave it in, lace it in right here. So all this will be new. And now throughout the house, there's several boards kind of like this that we're going to repair. You can see these because there's nothing underneath it. This is just hollow. And over the years, that's where the tongue and groove have broken off. So we will repair and fix those. All right, guys, and then we're going to sand this beautiful thing. I think this kitchen area was underneath linoleum or something. They didn't even know wood was in the kitchen, which is rare because the majority of the time when they built these houses, they put the wood everywhere except the bathroom and kitchen. So this was a pleasant surprise, or at least it will be once we're finished. All right, stick around.